Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to review the 18V Narrow Crown Stapler by RYOBI +1. It looks like this, the box. It was the last one at our local Home Depot. And we're going to unbox it for you. These are the staples we purchased that are compatible with the RYOBI. It's the 18GA. We got two different sizes because we're going to be making boxes today. So as soon as you open the package, it comes with some little gadgets. This is the box. It looks like this. Tells you danger, be careful. Has all the operator's manual saying how to use it, what is compatible with it, different types of tools that you can purchase that RYOBI makes. It even tells you can register or write a review. And this is how the product looks like. It comes with a pamphlet of all the different type of tools they have. So it comes with this, and these 5 different papers. And to protect it, it comes with these. So we're going to try it out. It does not come with a battery, so you would have to purchase that separately, or sometimes in your local hardware stores, it comes with a deal, but today it did not come with a deal. These are the batteries that you can purchase. This one is the RYOBI 1+. It just means it has a higher voltage and it makes the tool stronger. And these are the regular batteries. It's just normal and it doesn't last as long as this one. You just attach it by pushing firmly and connecting it. We're going to try it on wood. To load your gun, you're going to push here and slide out. We have these 2 sizes. This is how it looks like. You're going to just slide it right in there and push it until you hear the click. There's different settings, so we probably don't want it pushed too in for our job, but we'll leave it in the middle. We will be making boxes. Just to test it out, you have to push firmly. We changed the settings. Before the settings, it went through, but exactly where I showed you on this tool, you can twist it to make it less force, and this is what it turned out to be. Overall, this tool is very useful. It even has a measuring tape of centimeters in the side. It comes without a battery, but you can just purchase that on your own. 10 out of 10. Easy and very handy. Very reasonable price for a tool like this.